ang, ang second placer po ang gaganap. Mga pageant. And for our second placer, so labanan ng contour farming you know. So, ito ang next year, mag-isip-isip na po ang atin. And of course, dapat, since average po yung scoring natin, so dapat, at first pa lang, magpakitang gilas na ta. So again, so for our second placer, ang second placer will be receiving 30,000 pesos. Kasi makakapal ko ano. 30,000 pesos cash. And for our first placer, will be receiving 45,000 pesos. Ang champion daw muna tawagan, of course, ang mabilin automatically. So ang second placer is 84.78%. And our first placer is 86.56%. Actually, gamay na kayo siyang ligas. Ang third at saka second natin nasa 0.22% ay 0.22% ang ligas sa second and third. Tapos, sa first and second natin nasa 2 points lang, 1 point something lang. So, nakulbaan ng mga judges actually this year. They're very competitive again ang ito ang mga municipio. Labanan ng mga RTOs at the same time, labanan ng mga technicians and mayors. Kaya every judging natin ang mga mayor. Yan ba daw na mayor? And for our champion, garnering 85.56%. Our champion for the Gulayan sa Sarangan 2025 is automatic ha, matik ang kapaway ko yan. And for our champion, again, garnering 85.56% is the Pag-asa Agrarian Reform Commissioners Association. So automatically, our second place is the Malapatan Farmers Association. So first po is yung ating Malapatan Farmers Association. Again, we'll be receiving 30,000